At first glance, Our Lady of Lourdes looks like just an ordinary school. Few people realize that it's protected by a pair of students with amazing superpowers. These heroes are better known as Quitter Boy and Quitter Girl. Because of their superpowers, most things come easily to our heroes. Their super muscles make PE class a breeze. Super speed reading makes language arts a piece of cake. But whenever something is hard for Quitter Boy and Quitter Girl, they refuse to keep trying. Instead, they just quit.
We quit!
Our story begins with a horrible disaster in room 121 on the day of the class pizza party.
Oh no, it's Mrs. Meany, the evil substitute teacher!
You only think you're having a pizza party, my little pretties. Tell them what they're really having, Minnie Meanie.
It's a Brussels sprouts party.
No! Hey, look out in the hall!
It's a bird!
It's a plane!
Hearses! It's Quitter Boy and Quitter Girl.
What seems to be the problem, mere mortals?
Miss Meany wants to feed us Brussels sprouts. We're gonna starve!
Never fear. I shall use my superpowers to turn the Brussels sprout into pepperoni! Kazam! This isn't working like it did in Hero class. You're doing it wrong. Kazam!
Quitter Girl, maybe if you studied your hero textbook?
I'm not doing work just so you can eat. We quit!
You're doomed, my little pretties. Now, who wants flowers for lunch?
It's too bad that Quitter Boy and Quitter Girl lived up to their names. They could have rescued the school, but they wouldn't try when things got tough. That very afternoon, Mrs. Meany made a frightening announcement to her class.
I found a new way to torture you, my little pretties. I'm going to teach you the wrong answers.
But that means we won't learn anything. We won't get into college or find jobs.
Repeat after me. 2 + 2 = 8.
There's only 2 people that can save us now.
Curses! It's Quitter Boy and Quitter Girl! Mrs. Meany's giving us the wrong answers. You have to use your super brains to help us. Of course, mere mortals. 2 + 2 is... 2 + 2, Math is hard. We quit.
Don't worry, my little pretties. Mrs. Meany will teach you. 2 + 2 = 8.
2 + 2 = 8.
3 + 3 = 12.
Wait, we don't have to listen to the wrong answers.
We can figure it out ourselves. Yeah, when you count and you realize 2 + 2 = 4.
Mrs. Meany, we're not quitters.
2 + 2 is 4. 3 + 3 is 6. 4 + 4 is 8. 5 + 5 is 10. 6 + 6 is 12. 7 + 7 is...
No, stop! You're ruining my evil plan. If you work hard, I can't torture you anymore. I'm melting!
Never fear, Quitter Boy and Quitter Girl have returned to defeat Mrs. Meany!
You're too late, quitters.
We already did it ourselves.
That day, Mrs. Meany's students learned a very important lesson. You don't need superpowers to conquer schoolwork. If you keep trying, you will succeed.
Yeah, don't be a quitter. Otherwise, you'll defeat the supervillains without you.